Delivery. First of all, the heroes. Appeared new chapters. Siamak Hari, husband of best friend of Margie's mother, and Mons Shakiva, both are prisoners for being revolutionaries. Mose said about the torture people had at prison and give us an example of Amait, who was tortured with fights, and Margie took those tortures and imagining games with them, with his friends, but his friends doesn't like it, so she was very sad. Second, Moscow, a new character. The uncle Anush, brother of Margie's father who was in prison and lived in Moscow for a long time. Margie believed that in her family were a lot of heroes. She is he stayed at Margie's house for that night and answered all her questions about his past, and also Margie thought that he was a hero of his family, so she was very excited about their stories. Third, the ship. In this chapter, people were concerned because the new political leaders and the boy that Margie like have to live at United States and also all her family. In this chapter, Margie knew that Moens is dead and all his family because they follow another leader, and Enoch went back to prison, but she knew it because um, one day his mother went to her college and not an Enoch. But after time, Enoch was executed. The trip. The education system must be revised to ensure that the children are not let stay for the true path of Islam. That's why the university is closed because it don't follow with the political. The woman must use veil. This was obligatory because her state demands. They must pray in Mora, and until today they are in war because they follow different creeds. The F-14s. The Iraqis make attack them. Um, it was a thought call, but the death of Margies was an engineer, so he knew immediately that it was the rockets that attacked them, and for a long time on the TV they doesn't sound the anthem, but this time was the first time saying that a half of planes did not return from the war, and one of them was the plane of the father of Paradise's friend of Margie. The jewels. Because of the war, the supermarkets were empty. They didn't have enough money to fill a car. Iraq bombed a dam which Mali lives. Mali was a friend of the mother, and Mali and his family stayed with them for a week and have to sell all his jewels in order to some food. K. Margie was reading the newspaper which appeared a difference between the Iraqi army and Iran's. While she was helping her mother with her hair, the girl wanted to apply that what her mother said to her, so she remembered the first day of class waiting, wanted things to be different. The torture session started to be a joke for them, since they tried to reply the Margit began to be rebellion at the school, parents were called and guilty for them They protected and defended their children.